Hello internet marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I got another exciting post for you guys. I recently saw this article about how this guy is making $22,000 per month with the Facebook instant articles and audience network, and it is a pretty much an AdSense alternative, and I'll be posting this link in the description below for you guys to review the step-by-step article on how to set up your own Facebook ads. So everybody pretty much know about AdSense and how people make money with AdSense every time somebody clicks on an ad. With Facebook instant articles and the audience network, you don't need to worry about the click. You pretty much make money from the views. It's called the eCPM, earnings per 1,000 views. And here we got some screenshots. So he's making $1.45 per the CPM, and he's obviously got a lot of views. So to make the $22,000, he's got 15 million views. And here's the report dates. So this is big money, and as you can see here, here's some stats from the countries. The US is right here, and we have a lot of Spanish speaking countries. They're lower, but it's still a good chunk of money. And I think this guy, his site is mostly from Hispanic countries, so he's making a lot of money from countries outside of the US. So that's another thing people don't realize, is there's big money to be made from other countries outside of English speaking countries. And then as you go down to the step-by-step part right here, we'll show you how to set up the instant articles and connect it to your site. So again, I'm gonna give you guys the link in the description, and you can come here and view the article yourself to set this up. And it's a very detailed step-by-step article from setting up your instant articles to connecting your website and submitting it for review and placing your ads. And the Facebook audience offers direct deposit and PayPal, and you get paid once a month. And that's pretty much the end of this article. I hope this gives you some ideas about how to earn some extra income from another income stream. So have fun with this one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing.